Space Force's mysterious X-37B. What to expect from its 8th orbit mission. Imagine this. A spacecraft shrouded in mystery, capable of spending years floating silently in orbit, conducting experiments that most of us will never fully understand. That's exactly what the U.S. Space Force is preparing to launch again. The X-37B spaceplane, an uncrewed vehicle known for its secretive missions and record-breaking stays in space, is gearing up for its 8th journey into orbit on August 21st. And while much about this mission remains classified, there are some tantalizing hints about what it might involve. This time around, the X-37B, nicknamed OTV-8, short for Orbital Test Vehicle 8, will lift off from the Kennedy Space Center in Florida aboard a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket. It's a quick turnaround since its last mission wrapped up earlier this year. As with previous flights, the spacecraft will carry out a variety of tests and orbital experiments. But here's where it gets intriguing. 2 specific technologies have been highlighted by the Space Force, and they could reshape how we think about operations in space. First up, OTV-8 will feature a groundbreaking laser communication system. If you're unfamiliar with the concept, think of it as akin to upgrading your internet connection from dial-up to fiber optics. Laser-based systems transmit data at higher speeds and with greater security than traditional radio communications. This advancement isn't just about speed, it's also about resilience. By leveraging these advanced networks, the U.S. military aims to create more robust satellite architectures that can withstand potential disruptions caused by adversaries or other threats. As General Chance Saltzman, Chief of Space Operations, put it, OTV-8's laser communications demonstration will mark an important step in strengthening the resilience, reliability, adaptability, and data transport speeds of our satellite communications. But wait, there's more. Another key focus of the mission is testing something called a quantum inertial sensor. What exactly does that mean? In simple terms, this device allows the spacecraft to navigate without relying on GPS signals. Why is that significant? Well, imagine a scenario where hostile forces deploy electromagnetic jammers to disable critical navigation systems like GPS. A quantum inertial sensor would enable the X-37B and potentially future satellites to maintain accurate positioning even under such conditions. According to Colonel Ramsey Horn, head of Space Delta 9, a unit within the Space Force dedicated to orbital warfare, this capability represents a major leap forward. He explained, quantum inertial sensing allows for robust navigation capabilities when GPS navigation is. These reusable spaceplanes manufactured by Boeing were initially developed under the Air Force before transitioning to the Space Force. Over the years, their missions have grown longer and more complex. For instance, during its 6th outing, the X-37B spent a staggering 908 days in orbit, a record for the program. Its most recent flight, OTV-7, lasted 434 days, but still managed to achieve several milestones, including innovative braking maneuvers designed to conserve fuel. Additionally, the Space Force released a rare photograph taken directly from the spacecraft itself, offering a glimpse into its enigmatic world. And this is the part most people miss. While the X-37B is officially described as an uncrewed, unarmed platform, its true purpose sparks plenty of debate. Some speculate whether it might one day serve offensive roles. Given artistic renderings commissioned by the military depict similar vehicles equipped with weapons. Meanwhile, the Space Force continues expanding its constellation of satellites and exploring concepts related to orbital warfare, including the development of kinetic and non-kinetic weapons, such as lasers. So what do you think? Is the X-37B merely a testbed for cutting-edge technology? Or could it foreshadow a new era of militarized space operations? Does the inclusion of quantum navigation and laser comms represent a necessary evolution or a dangerous escalation? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. After all, the final frontier isn't just about exploration anymore. It's becoming a theater for innovation, strategy, and perhaps controversy. U.S. Space Force X-37B Mission 8 launch, laser tech, quantum navigation explained. Imagine a spacecraft quietly orbiting Earth, testing technologies that could redefine space communication and navigation. On August 21, 2025, the U.S. Space Force, in collaboration with the Air Force Rapid Capabilities Office, plans to launch the 8th mission of the X-37B Orbital Test Vehicle, OTV-8, from Kennedy Space Center in Florida. This mission, designated USSF-36, will ride aboard a SpaceX Falcon 9, carry a diverse array of experimental objectives. One of the key highlights of OTV-8 is its focus on advanced laser communications. By using infrared light, which has a shorter wavelength, laser communications can transmit more data per second compared to traditional radio frequencies. This not only boosts data transfer rates, but also enhances security, as laser beams are more focused and harder to intercept. The mission will involve demonstrating these capabilities with commercial satellite networks in low Earth orbit, which will help create a more resilient and efficient U.S. space communication infrastructure. But here's where it gets controversial. Some critics argue that this level of communication could give the U.S. a significant strategic advantage, potentially raising tensions with other spacefaring nations. Another groundbreaking experiment on board is the world's most advanced quantum inertial sensor. This sensor can detect the rotation and acceleration of atoms, allowing for precise navigation without relying on GPS. This is particularly important for scenarios where GPS signals might be jammed or unavailable. The technology's potential extends beyond Earth's orbit, making it valuable for missions in cislunar space and long-distance space travel. And this is the part most people miss. While the immediate benefit is enhanced navigation, the long-term implications could revolutionize how we explore and operate for space operations. General Chance Saltzman emphasized the importance of these demonstrations. OTV-8's laser communications demonstration will be a crucial step in leveraging proliferated space networks, strengthening the resilience, reliability, and data transport speeds of our satellite communications. Similarly, Colonel Ramsey Horn, commander of Space Delta 9, highlighted the significance of the quantum inertial sensor. This technology ensures robust navigation capabilities even in GPS-denied environments, contributing to our mission of maintaining movement and maneuverability in space. The X-37B is a versatile and agile spacecraft designed to conduct various tests and experiments that accelerate the development of next-generation technologies. Its missions are crucial for advancing reusable space capabilities and ensuring the U.S. remains at the forefront of space innovation. So, what do you think? Should the U.S. prioritize such advanced space technologies, or is there a risk of escalating an arms race in space? X-37B Spaceplane launch. U.S. military's 8th mission revealed. The U.S. military's X-37B spaceplane gears up for its 8th mission. In a significant development for space exploration, the U.S. Space Force has revealed the launch window for the upcoming mission of the X-37B, a reusable spaceplane that has captured the attention of both military and aerospace enthusiasts alike. This marks the 8th flight of this remarkable aircraft, which is officially known as Orbital Test Vehicle 8, OTV-8. The mission is set to commence no earlier than August 21st, with the launch taking place from the Kennedy Space Center in Florida, utilizing a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket to propel it into orbit. But here's where it gets intriguing. The X-37B has been shrouded in mystery since its inception, often leading to speculation about its true capabilities and objectives. To delve deeper into this fascinating topic, consider registering for more insights. By signing up, you can enjoy 3 complimentary articles each month, along with our weekly newsletter, Space News This Week, delivered every Friday. You can opt out whenever you wish. If you already have an account, you can gain unlimited access to all articles on spacenews.com for as little as $5 per week, with the flexibility to cancel at any time. Please note that sales tax may apply, and refunds are not available. Sandra Irwin, a seasoned journalist with nearly 2 decades of experience, specializes in military space programs, policies, and the technologies that underpin this vital sector. Her extensive background includes coverage of the military. Do you believe they are essential for national security, or do they raise ethical concerns? Share your opinions in the comments below.